Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hey. Hope everyone is doing well on today. I have three hot job leads for you today, ranging from $19 to $26 an hour. The first one is about Manpower Group. Is the world leader in innovative workforce solutions, connecting human potential to the power of business. Every day, we connect more than 600,000 people to meaningful work across a wide range of skills and industries, helping to power the success of clients around the world. Okay. So Manpower has been around for a long period of time. As you see, it says these roles are entry level, long-term contract opportunities working Monday through Friday and 100% remote. Pay rate is $19 an hour. The successful candidate who are hired will start in early mid-August. How you will make a difference? You could go ahead and read this information here. The qualifications, what you need to win. 1+ years experience in data entry in the HR arena, or a foundational understanding of HR processes. Okay. Must be able to handle confidential data and information, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, to work with a variety of people internally and externally. So you could go ahead and read the rest of the qualifications here. If you feel like you will be a great fit for this position, go ahead and click the apply online button at the bottom, okay? Next up is scheduling coordinator with Fusion Education Group. They manage multiple school programs focused on providing life-changing educational experiences for students in grades 6 through 12. Each model features Academy, Fusion Academy, and Fusion Global Academy offers fully accredited courses, okay? Now, the scheduling coordinator position summary is responsible for mastery of the Fusion scheduling content and technologies and the creation and execution of student contracts. A scheduling coordinator's mission is to ensure the creation and maintenance of student schedules on a daily basis and to maintain communication about contracts and schedule changes to parents, students, and admin team members. Okay. Key responsibilities include manage the input and upkeep of all student schedules, build, send, and support the return of student contracts, execute student records, requests to prior schools for new students, support scheduling and communication of student schedules, run reports for various departments as needed, execute the input of mastery sessions, and so forth and so on. Qualifications required: effective listening, verbal and written communication is a must. The position requires the ability to keep a level head while searching or working calmly in a fast paced environment, and so forth and so on. You can read the rest of that here. Your competencies: desired proactive communication with the school stakeholders, understanding and commitment to execute core systems and processes. You could go ahead and read all of the information as well here. If you feel like you are qualified for this position, go ahead and click the apply now button. This is a remote home job as well, okay? All right, so the last position that I have for you today is with Main Street ROI. It is I'm sorry about that, I was scrolled up there. Entry level marketing analyst job, and it's remotely. You can work part time or full time positions here, okay? Join a small team making a big impact. It talks about Main Street ROI and the mission. All right. Who is a good fit for our team? First and foremost, everyone on our team is friendly, upbeat, and has a genuine desire to help small businesses succeed. Our team thrives in a 100% remote environment and enjoys work-life balance with flexible schedules. That means our team members are all self-directed with strong time management skills. Okay, so make sure that you are self-disciplined and you have your management skills intact. Now, it does tell you what the requirements are for the position. This is an entry-level position that requires previous experience in at least one of the following services: SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or WordPress. Previous experience at a digital marketing agency is even better. Okay, so this is perfect match for you if you want to work remotely. You're looking for a part-time work that will grow to full-time, and you want to help small businesses grow. Okay, talks about what an analyst do or a marketing analyst do here, and the benefits of Main Street ROI and what they provide. All right, so you can read that here. If you feel like you are a good fit for this position to be considered, go ahead and email your resume address to Phil to this email address here with the subject line, your name, MSROI Marketing Analyst. In the email, provide the following information, and you will just provide this information that they have here, okay?
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you.
So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test, and you'll hit Start Test. Then you just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit Close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.